Hi, this is Aaron Hebner again. I'm in my second video, trying for the third time to record this. My discussion app for this one is ClassDojo. It is similar to the app that I discussed in my first video, which was Seesaw for students and parents. This one is the one that my daughter has actually used 2 years in a row. Her classroom has used it in 4K and her 5K. It's a communication app for class that you can share reports, you can upload videos and photos, and you can send communications from teacher and to parents back and forth. It's a very simple tool. It has some features that kind of gear it to make it a little more fun, I think, than Seesaw. It's got kind of a gamey style, and you can see some of the features on here have the characters are more cartoonish. It's kind of a more fun print that I think gears it more towards younger students, which is one of the things that I found interesting, that my daughter had 2 different teachers for 4K and 5K, and they both use this app. One of the neat features that I found out is that going from one year to the next, I did not have to re-register my name to link up with the account. Somehow her name and my account matched up. Not exactly sure how that happened, but it was nice that it seamlessly went into the next year. I think that's a nice feature. As you can see, the interaction board or background has kind of 2 frames. You can have all stories, or if I click on, if I stay on all stories, it just gives a general update, and that's generally what my daughter's teacher does. She just kind of gives updates. This was a picture of a field trip that they recently took. The costume party that they had for Halloween, and just project updates that they do. My daughter's in a STEM program, so they're consistently doing experiments, and it's really cool getting updates. We get it can be real time or when it's done, but my daughter's teacher usually does the updates after school. So around 4 o'clock, usually several times a week, I'll get a notification on my phone or my iPad stating that there's an update. It's a really nice way and handy feature to stay in contact, and it's really nice to be limited to the classroom. So the parents sign up, they get an invitation code, and they sign up, and then they can actually comment on the photos. So it is interactive. It's not just one way. As you can see, there's a number of different likes throughout the photos and the process. Comparing this feature to, or this app to Seesaw, I think Seesaw is a little more advanced from what I've seen in my doings. The messaging, it's about the same, and it's all real-time updates. So it's a nice communication tool, and from a parental perspective, it's really nice to have that connection to my daughter's classroom. Thank you.